Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I am going to show how to import and export Elementor kits in WordPress. And the video is going to more important because I am going to explain Elementor free and pro version regarding the Elementor kits. And before starting, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start. So guys, while importing and exporting Elementor kits, the first step is to go to Elementor settings, and in the Elementor settings you have to go to experiments and you have to scroll down and you have to find out import export website kit. Make sure you have to activate it and just save the setting. And after that you have to go to tools in the Elementor, and as you can see from the domain, this is the pro version of Elementor. And I am going to click on import export, and first I am going to import the Elementor kit there, and I am going to select Elementor kit from the computer. Just look at the Elementor kit, and I have several Elementor kits in my local. I am going to select anyone, and in this step it is asking in which components you want to apply the changes or overlap the changes. So you can deselect it or you can select it. I'm going to select all, and you can also select the post type from there. If I select all, it will override the changes from the website. I'm going to click on import, and it is saying first enable unfiltered file uploads. Enable it. So guys, as you can see, I have enabled the option because I do not want any confliction in my website. So it is now saying your kit is now live on your website, and I'm going to click on close and just go to your pages to see if it is imported. And I am going to click on home page to view it. Just view it, and as you can see, my kit is imported successfully. And as like this one, other pages are also imported, and before imported the kit I have nothing inside the pages. As you can see, it is imported. So guys, like this way you can import your Elementor kit in your WordPress. And now I am going to export my Elementor kit. So just click on Elementor and tools, click on import export kit, and now I am going to export. Start export, and as you can see, it is already clicked templates, content and site settings. And if I go for the free plugin, then if I click on export, then it says for the template you have to upgrade your account. It means the free plugin does not export the templates in the Elementor. So this is the benefit of Elementor Pro plugin. You can export your templates also. So now I am going to click on kit information, and I can set my kit name. For example, I am going to set Freak. I just type this for testing and next. And now it is saying which things you want to export in case of plugins. I am going to export all plugins and create kit, and it is asking for the location. I'm going to save on downloads. So as you can see, it is saying your export is ready, and it is already saved in my local. So guys, by this way you can export your Elementor kit in WordPress. And guys, I need to tell you one thing about the Elementor kits. If you import Elementor kit, then you have to make sure your custom fonts, custom icons and custom code. So these things you have to add it again, and it will automatically add in your pages if you add from there. And if I go to integrations, then you have to add the integration key again, and it must be the same keys as used in the Elementor kit. So guys, I hope you must find this video useful, and in this video I have showed how to import and export Elementor kits in WordPress. And finally, thanks for watching.